Well, we actually started last year attending ILTM Asia, and from what we got last year, the quality of the buyers are really good. It actually, translated into business in that short, 6 months, 12 months period. So we just wanted to go back here again this year, and I think the quality of buyers in the show is really good, and this is where everybody converge. I think, in China itself, we haven't been to the rest, but this is a good show. We would say, yeah. These are really genuine buyers compared to any other shows that we've actually been to. So, and at the end of the day, it translates to business. And you do have a fair bit of Chinese buyers at the show who actually buys. The appointment system for this particular show, it's very tight, yeah, but it's good in a way because it makes it very effective. And basically, what I really like about appointments for this particular show is that second time round, and all the appointment slots are basically full, which is, you don't get that at too many shows really, with that sort of a PSA setup. Basically, in terms of traveling into, basically from Sabah, so traveling into Sabah, we see a lot of, smaller family groups traveling together, which is basically, into that whole luxury travel segment, and these are basically families coming in into Sabah in general and picking up, personalized private transfer tours in and around Sabah, which is very exciting for us in that sense. And I think Sabah has got, good jungles, good beaches, and you put that two together, so it becomes the ultimate, leisure destination, and it's kind of like exotic, that Borneo name thingy, really. Yeah. Predominantly, we work with a lot of clients from the UK, but in recent years, we've been seeing a lot from out of Russia as well. I'm talking about the smaller family groups. That's where we see the trend going. And for this year alone, from January right up until now, we're seeing a lot of travelers, Chinese travelers especially, who would go into the jungle. So this actually shows that there are Chinese buyers who are into that higher end of the market, that really know what they want, instead of, I want to go to this particular place because my friend went there before.